where they sell those fake memories.
Oh, recall! 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 You thinking of going there?
I don't know. Maybe.
Well, don't.
Why not?
A friend of mine tried one of their special offers. Nearly got himself lobotomized.
No shit.
Don't fuck with your brain, pal. It ain't worth it.
It's not.